Now next you can see, let us recall, classify the following activities in by ticking tick in the respective column. So 3 columns are given: activities, primary, secondary and tertiary. So various activities are given. You can see it very clearly: television broadcasting, beekeeping, coir and rope making, jaggery making. So this activity you are supposed to do by yourself. I will tell you one or two. Beekeeping, it will come under primary occupation. Television broadcasting, it will under tertiary occupation. Understood? Now coir and rope making, secondary. Jaggery making, secondary. What will be the raw material for jaggery? Sugarcane. Understood? So production blades of plough, that is secondary occupation. Construction, secondary. Extracting iron ore, that is primary. That will be the that will come under mining occupation, that is primary occupation. Teaching, that is tertiary. Driving buses, again tertiary. Providing lodging and boarding facilities, again it is tertiary. So here we can see these activities are occupied by the people. That is the major occupation of any country. As India and Brazil, they are having mixed economy. So maximum population of these country, they are under primary occupation. Understood? So economic activities in Brazil, it is generally carried out under primary occupation and secondary occupation, because these are developing countries. But maximum occupation which is carried out in developed countries, they are tertiary occupation. Understood? And that is why there is a difference between gross national product, gross national income in these countries. So it is the difference, because the major people, they are engaged in primary occupation, and the primary occupation, already I told you, the income is very uncertain. Because see the example of India, as maximum people, they are engaged in agriculture, and agriculture is very uncertain because India depends upon monsoon. So it is very unpredictable that whether this year or any year the monsoon will be normal, or we will face a drought type situation. So this is the main question, because it is a primary occupation. It deals with nature, and we cannot predict about nature. So primary occupation generates very less income, though it provides raw material to secondary and tertiary occupation. But it is very difficult to predict a particular specific income under this. But I hope we will develop this primary sector with the help of science and technology. So children, all this activity, please do it again and again. I hope you have understood the concept of economy and occupation. We will continue our lesson in our next class.